Dude, look how awesome this looks. This weekend, me and Chris cut down our first ever trees. Like, we literally had no idea what we were doing, but we nailed it. The yard looks so much bigger, so much better. Oh my God. I've been telling you guys since we moved in here that I want to do something with this ground, whether I pave it or just like get it excavated and it's all like gravel or whatever the case is for now. I want to do something because I hate the mud, and we also want to fence in the entire yard. So a couple things that happened before we did that. And dropping the trees was one of them, and it was stressful but super exciting that they're all down. So we did that. And then yesterday we spent all day just dicing them up, moving them over here into this weird little pile that I guess we have for now. And all day yesterday, the day where we were actually dicing stuff up and getting it out of the way, of course it was pouring rain all day. My committed crew jacket actually kept me super dry. If you guys have got one of these, I've got so many posts, so many tags. Normally you guys tag me stuff when you buy it, but like these have been like extremely posted about and tagged in that they're just unreal quality. Everybody's super pleased with how waterproof they are and how well they work. And I just want to remind you guys that at the end of this month, it might be the very beginning of next month, we are restocking these. A lot of you guys were saying that you missed your chance or you really wanted to grab one, but they sold out really fast. So like I told you guys, we cut down trees and moved them and stuff all weekend long. I don't feel like doing anything super labor intensive today. I feel like just kind of having like a chill day. I actually really feel like making stuff though. So today, we're gonna make something for the Z. So something that I personally just really don't like the look of on this car ever since I got it is these orange taillights. I don't know why. I just don't like the orange lenses. I've seen certain setups where they look really clean. Honestly, I think they look really good on a red car because they pop a lot, but anything else, to me, they just don't look that great. In the past, I've swapped like taillights on almost anything that I've owned. For example, even the EK lights, like look at how minty these things look. This is literally just like candy cane style, whatever you want to call it, where it's literally just red and white. These look so much better, so much more modern. Even my truck, like, is just the red and the white. And to me, something about that just looks way more, I guess the word is like modern. It just looks so much more clean and like sharp. I was planning on buying lights for this car when I bought it anyways, because I didn't even really realize you could make custom tail lights. So before we do that, I have an idea in my brain of what might look really clean. I basically just want to send. No, I dropped my freaking ratchet in the bumper. Wait a second. Whew, thank God. I thought the thing went down in the bumper. I was so sad. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's all the way off and it's still got goops. Oh my God, this is gross. Dude, this stuff is gross. I actually found out the technique that works best isn't necessarily heating it or moving it, like scraping it. If you can grab a chunk and yank it really fast, you get something like this, where see like in here how there's nothing left. If you can yank it fast enough, it actually just comes right out. I took off as much as possible. I think it looks pretty good. I basically just did that to make them a little bit easier to work with, because I don't want to be like manhandling it, getting that stuff on my hands, and then I get that stuff on the lights, and then it's just a complete mess. And I feel like, let me show you guys why it's really important that this stuff is here, because I'm cleaning it up and getting rid of it, but I also just want you guys to realize that like, I plan on putting back a different sealant when I put the lights in, and also I plan on getting this car painted, so like, I'm not super concerned. Once I get the car painted, I'll do something like this where they're like cemented back in there. Normally a car's tail light ends at the bumper, so even like this thing, if you were to reach up in here from the bumper, you can actually touch the bottom of this light, so any water that gets in here just kind of drains out the bottom of the car. This is not the case. I learned that when I dropped my ratchet. Bottom of this light goes right into the trunk, right here. You can see. Nope, you maybe can't. I don't know. You can see my fingers maybe. So if these are not super cemently sealed in here and water gets in here, water's actually getting into the car, then you're gonna start getting rotting problems inside, you're gonna get molding problems inside, all that kind of stuff. So it's terrible. You can see that I scraped off some along the bottom. But I just want you guys to know that like I do intend on resealing these. I just, A, don't want it to be messy all over my hands right now, and B, I do plan on painting the car, so I'm not gonna cement them back in today, but it's important to do so. Do not skip that step. Anyways, now they're all cleaned up. I can work with them. There's like this little screw in the center right there that I can see, and then oh, what the heck? I thought I saw tabs. Oh, on the bottom. There's some tabs on the bottom right there. So I was planning on putting these in the oven because that's normally what I do. Like I told you guys, the same thing I did with like the BRZ and a couple other headlight sets I've done in the past where I put them in the oven to bake them, but there's so much tar stuff that I'm fearful if I put them in the oven and it gets too hot and it starts like oozing everywhere. So I took the heat gun out at first because I was using the heat gun to try and like get rid of some of this. I'm gonna try and use the heat gun, I guess, to pop these lenses. Oh, no. Yeah, see, look at that. You just get tiny little bit on your finger, but then once you work with the lights, you touch the light and boom, you get it on the light. Anyways, oh my God, it's stuck everywhere. Oh, dude, I guess just I'll start on a low setting. No! No! Hey, thanks for coming.
Yeah, we came as soon as we heard.
We're here for you, man.
I just wanted him to look JDM, bro. I'm sorry for trying to spread your cheeks at such an old age. Should have just left you alone. We didn't have nearly enough time together. It was your favorite light bulb.
Can't say life will be the same without you. You will be missed. Act like your tears. Not on the camera though.
Idiot! Hey.
We came as soon as we heard.
Here for you, man. We are here for you, man. We're here for you, man.
Just wanted him to look GDM, bro.
Yeah.
Everybody watch out.
We ain't gonna miss you, bitch.